Hey everybody, haven't done a video in a while. I'm just reviewing or maybe re-reviewing the TYGER Bumper Guard that I bought back in 2018 for my 2018 Ram. It's now 2026. This is what it looks like after wow, that's after 8 years of use. Still looks solid, right? I mean, I took it off because I tried to pull with it yesterday and it's not made to pull. Disclaimer, it is not made to pull. So a little rust, you know, rust there. Rust there. So basically, and then, you know, I beat it up a little bit, but I didn't really beat it up too much. But like I said, I did use it to pull. This was me trying to pull a small Kubota loader yesterday out of snow. The reason I took it off is because, you know, it's shot. It really is. I've used it to try to pull cars. That sound right here, if you hear it, that's the rust inside. But I mean, I never put a light on it or anything like that. But this is basically just to show you what it looks like after 8 years of use. Me trying to do a couple dumb things with it. I did pull things out of places, but you know, it's good. I mean, for the money. I'm probably not going to put another bumper guard on the truck because one, you know, if I'm trying to hit an animal, I gotta steer perfectly towards it with something the size of this. Otherwise, it's cracking my bumper anyway. And two, I'm gonna put a plow on the truck, so I can't have this on with a plow. But hope this helps. Hope this helps. All right. Have a good day.